In this video, I'm going to show you how to monetize your YouTube videos step by step. So if you want to learn how to make the most out of your videos and to make the most money, I'm going to run through the steps that a lot of people are missing with making the most out of monetizing your videos. So if you want to learn how to make the most money on your YouTube videos, keep on watching. All right, so we are on YouTube. And the first thing you want to do is go ahead and click on your little profile in the top right hand corner. And then we want to go ahead and click on YouTube Studio. From here, we want to click on monetization. Now there's a few different things that you can do with monetization. We'll run through those very quickly. So you've got your merchandise. So if you have merchandise to sell, you can go ahead and link your merchandise, and that'll show up on the display page every time somebody watches your video. They'll be able to see your merchandise just below the video that they can click on. You've also got your memberships. So you can also do memberships. That's where people get secret behind the scenes type stuff. They can get behind the scenes videos, they can get exclusive videos, all of these things, and they pay a short membership fee. So that's another way you can make money through YouTube ads. And then there's the super stickers. So if you do live streams and things like that, people are able to go ahead and do super stickers, or they got their member stickers and things like that, and they can just add, they're able to input money into your channel. So those are some really cool ways if you weren't aware of how monetization works once you're monetized on YouTube. And if you haven't watched my video about how to get monetized on YouTube and my journey, I will link that in the cards. Go ahead and check that one out, of how to get monetized on YouTube and what the process was like for me and what you can expect to get monetized on YouTube. So to simply monetize your videos, you just want to simply click on a video. Now this option does pop up when you actually go ahead and upload a video, but to show you guys, we're going to go through and show you how to monetize a video. So for example, we're going to click on this one, and you want to click on the monetization. Now here we can actually see there's a type of ads that you can have on your video. There's the display ads, which is always going to show if you choose to have monetization on your videos. There's the overlay ads, which kind of pop up on the bottom of the screen there, as you can see in the picture. There's also the sponsored cards, and they kind of show up on the right hand side there. There's also the skippable video ads. Now these are going to be the ones that you get the most revenue from. They're the ads that generally come up at the start of the video, in the middle of the video, and at the end of the video, and you can skip those at any time. And there's the non-skippable video ads, which are the ones you have to watch. You can't skip it. So those are the ones that may be 30 seconds long or something like that. But you find that the most revenue you're going to gain from your YouTube monetization is through your skippable video ads. So make sure you have monetization set up. Firstly, make sure your monetization is on. And secondly, make sure you have got your skippable video ads on. That being said, there's nothing wrong with using all of these, but you'll find that the most revenue you're going to make is through your skippable video ads. Now here is the biggest key that a lot of people aren't aware of, where you can make the most money through monetizing on your videos. And here it is, guys, it's the mid-roll ads. There's so many YouTubers out there that 1 year, 2 years ago weren't even aware that videos could have mid-roll ads, and they were losing out on half of their revenue because they only had one ad at the start of their video and potentially an ad at the end of their video. They were literally losing 50% of their revenue. Even when their video was doing well, they were losing 50% of their revenue. This is true in so many YouTube stories. People talk about they didn't realize that there was mid-roll ads. Now here's the thing, guys. There has been an update recently, which is really cool. You only have to have a video that's 8 minutes or longer to have mid-roll ads. It used to be 10 minutes, but now it only has to be 8 minutes or longer to have mid-roll ads. Now there's two benefits with having longer videos. One, if you can monetize your videos, you're going to make more money from your videos by having mid-roll ads. And the second reason is with longer videos, you're going to get more watch time, and that's going to allow you to get your watch time faster to be monetized in the first place. So it's really important to remember that mid-roll ads are available as long as your video is 8 minutes or longer, and that way you can have mid-roll ads and double the revenue that you would make if you didn't have your mid-roll ads available. Now I'm not saying make videos longer if they don't need to be. You want to make sure that you're keeping people's retention during your videos, and that is the biggest key with being successful on YouTube, is you want to make sure you're keeping people watching as long as they can on the video. If you're dragging videos out, people are going to notice this, and they're more likely going to leave your video. So make sure you're not dragging videos out where they don't need to be, but start thinking about videos that can potentially be longer, that have a reason to be longer, and therefore you can make more money from that video because you can put mid-roll ads on your video. So mid-roll ads are something that a lot of people, I think a lot of YouTubers don't make this mistake anymore, but if you're just starting out on YouTube, you may not be aware that mid-roll ads make a huge difference when it comes to making money on YouTube. So you want to make sure that you're going ahead and having that always ticked when you can. It won't allow you to tick it if your video is under 8 minutes long, but it's always going to pop up when you upload a video. So make sure you look into that when you go ahead and monetize your videos. Now, the other thing you want to look at is actually in your settings. If we actually jump back to YouTube Studio here, okay, and we want to go ahead and click on settings. All right, so once you're on your settings, you want to click on upload defaults and you want to click on monetization. And here it's going to allow you to simply select all of those options that you want available. I highly recommend having all of these ticked and having mid-roll ads ticked. What this does is it's going to automatically tick those for you when they become available. So that way when you go and upload a video, you do still have to make sure that they're turned on, but this is going to automatically do that for you when you upload a video. So it's really important to go into your settings and make sure that all of these are ticked. You want to make sure you've got overlay ads. You want to make sure you can make as much money as you can through your YouTube monetization. So skippable video ads are going to be the biggest revenue you'll receive. Now, of course, in terms of the best CPM and RPM for your videos, I've done a video all about that. Check that in the info cards and that'll go into more detail about that. But in terms of just making the best money that you can based on the CPM that you're getting, mid-roll ads is going to make you twice as much money as you would without having them on. So definitely consider making longer videos if you can, and it's going to get you more watch time and help your channel to actually grow in the future, because if you're receiving more watch time, the YouTube algorithm is going to see that you're keeping people on the platform, and therefore they're going to start promoting your videos. So watch time is super key, and that's going to happen when you do longer videos. So you're going to make more revenue from it, and you're actually going ahead and promoting your channel more by showing the YouTube algorithm that you're producing a large portion of watch time. People are loving your videos and you're keeping people on the platform. So mid-roll ads are huge, guys. Make sure you look into it yourself, and as soon as you're monetized, make sure you're taking advantage of mid-roll ads. Right, guys, that was a quick video of how to monetize your YouTube videos and to get the most amount of revenue that you can simply by following these simple steps. And I've shown you exactly how you can do that through your upload defaults and through the actual uploading settings, just to make sure that you're monetizing your videos to the best potential and potentially making your revenue twice as much as it would be without knowing that simple trick of making more money on YouTube. So I hope this video was helpful. If you did find it helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and that'll really help my channel to reach more people, and we can hopefully help people turn their passion into a career. If you did enjoy this video, I know you'll love these other videos. Go ahead and check those out, and I'll see you over there. Peace out.